every 4 new energy car sold last year was a BYD.
Where is it? Don't know. So I just grabbed the keys to the new BYD design. Let's drive to somewhere and then review this car in detail. Notice it's the door handle. This is how you open it. Bit of an odd design. I'm sure you'll get used to it. I'm not sure the functionality of this, but I like it. In case you're wondering why there's a bus in front of me, that is a BYD bus. I got the keys to the brand new BYD Sealion 7. Let's check it out. The Sealion 7 is a mid-size fully electric SUV that's set to shake up the UK market. It is available in 3 trims: comfort, design and excellence, with design being the one in front of us and which we will do a deep dive into. At the front we have this sort of X design, which is something you may be familiar with from the other vehicles in the Ocean series, including the BYD Seal. Over here we have a little light in the corner, if you can see it, which comes on when you're cornering. I like the design on the dual U floating LED headlights. From the side, the design remains sleek and purposeful. The flush door handles not only add to its modern aesthetic, but also improve aerodynamics with a gently sloping roofline that transitions into a fastback rear. The rear continues this theme, featuring a full-width LED light bar and a subtle ducktail spoiler for added sportiness. Michelin Pilot Sport Force on how many inches? 20 inches. 4 unlocking methods: NFC card, key fob, smartphones and wearables. Step inside and you're greeted by a spacious, high-tech cabin that blends premium materials with futuristic tech. The first thing that catches your eye, the 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen, a signature BYD feature. It is powered by Qualcomm, which makes it smooth to transition between portrait and landscape modes, giving you flexibility in how you interact with your car's interface. Nappa leather, soft touch everywhere, high quality materials, nothing rattling. Let's fire her up. So this is a display vehicle and it's interactive. Let me demonstrate. So for example, if I was to press the boot or the trunk, it would open it up. Similarly, if I pressed it again, it would close it. Let's try the sunshade.
Please make sure that the
highlight the area that you want to open it up to. BYD has done something clever with the climate controls. They know it can be difficult to get to while driving, so they've made it accessible on any screen. So for example, if I go to a random screen over here, all I need to do is use 3 fingers, swipe across to increase the fan speed and left to decrease it, up and down to increase the temperature. Let me demonstrate. It's pretty clever, neat. Highly customizable screen, you can do pretty much anything with it. You can even customize the color of the vehicle. This is a black vehicle, so let's keep it black. I was driving earlier and I couldn't find the lane keeping assist because I wanted to turn it off, and I realized it's completely blank on the right side and on the left side. Then I realized it's all on display here. So to turn off lane keeping assist, you need to go to this menu and then turn it off. Get over 120 ambient lighting colors, and you can also get the ambient lighting to sync with your music. Rear passengers are in for a treat too. With a completely flat floor and generous leg room, the Sealion 7 ensures maximum comfort for long journeys. The seat backs are well padded with optimized recline angles to minimize fatigue. The Sealion 7 comes with 12 Dyne audio speakers and a subwoofer. Rear passengers get access to dual heated and ventilated seats, plus When you press this hidden compartment down here, you get 2 USB-C charging slots. Let us take the new BYD Seal. This is the design range. Let's take it on a drive. Okay, perfect.
Here, turn right.
Okay. The brakes are quite soft.
Here, turn right.
Yeah. 4 different driving modes. We've got Eco, Normal, Sport, and Snow. If I put it on Normal, suspension, sort of stiff, a bit rigid, but not uncomfortable. Grips the road, very flat in cornering. Hey BYD,
What's up?
rotate screen.
Okay, rotating the screen.
Hey BYD,
Yes?
close the sunshade.
All right.
It's very responsive and intuitive. A Tesla Model Y, the competitor to this vehicle, and one of the most popular vehicles in the EV range. This, oh, what's going on here? Okay, a bit of off-roading. Over here, we have a camera that makes sure that you pay attention to the road
Here,
ahead
turn
of you.
slight right.
Okay, slight right. Okay, I'm good there. Left. To operate the climate control, it's available on every screen. So to increase or decrease the temperature, I just simply drag 3 fingers across the screen, as you can see.
Here, turn right.
And to adjust the fan speed, it's just across, like that. And then here we get the please focus on driving warning whenever I operate anything else. So they made the whole screen a touchscreen. But as soon as you look at the touchscreen to operate anything, you get this little camera telling you off. The tire pressure displayed is around 46 for each wheel,
In
which is
0.3 miles,
a lot.
keep right.
On my personal Audi, I keep around 35, 38. I'm not sure the rationale behind this. And which one?
Now turn left.
This one? That one?
It's not very clear, is it?
Yes.
Go straight on.
Go around.
Take one of the 3 bright lanes. Leave the round.
So whenever you're signaling, you get, and you're turning. Let me signal again. I'll do it here. It tells you your curb distance from the camera. If I press this button here, I get all the cameras displayed here. 360-degree camera. And here you can see who's tailgating you. Space and practicality are key for any family SUV, and the Sealion 7 doesn't disappoint on this front. Boot space comes in at 520 litres with the rear seats up, expanding to 1,789 litres when folded down. That's even a 58 litre front up front. Small details matter too, with over 20 storage compartments scattered throughout the cabin, including a wireless charging pad that is ventilated to keep your phone cool, and deep door pockets. That's plenty of room to keep your essentials within reach. On the topic of charging, let's talk about the battery. The Sealion 7 offers a choice of 2 battery sizes. The design trim comes with an 82.5 kW blade battery, delivering up to 283 miles of range. And if you opt for the top spec Excellence trim, you get a larger 91.3 kW battery with a range of 312 miles. Charging is just as impressive. With support for up to 150 kW DC fast charging, you can go from 10% to 80% in just 32 minutes. And if you have access to a 230 kW ultra fast charger, the Excellence trim can do the same in just 24 minutes. With prices starting at 46k, the Sealion 7 undercuts many of its rivals while packing tons of tech and cutting edge battery systems. Would you pick this over the Tesla Model Y or VW ID4? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share, and hit the bell for more in-depth car reviews.